Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to check multiple YouTube videos revenue on YouTube. Okay, there is a simple method or a trick is that select your videos, then create a playlist like this. You can see here, this is my screen, and you can see here there is my pixel tutorials. Okay, then you can simply click the analytics. Okay, after that, just wait for 2-3 seconds. This page you can see here there is option for revenue. Click on that, then you can see the revenue. Okay, so in this way you can simply check multiple videos revenue on your YouTube channel. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.